Here's some alchemical practices trivia. Subscribe. What term describes the process of transformation in alchemy? Is it A, matter exchange, B, transmutation, C, transfiguration, or D, elemental fusion? The correct answer is B, transmutation. What substance was sought by alchemists for its life-extending properties? Is it A, gold, B, sulfur, C, philosopher's stone, or D, mercury? The correct answer is C, philosopher's stone. In alchemy, what is the symbol for mercury? Is it A, Hg, Pb, Cau, or Dfe? The correct answer is AHG. What process involves heating a substance to produce vapor? Is it A, fermentation filtration, C, chemical reaction, or D, distillation? The correct answer is D, distillation. Which concept refers to the unity of opposites in alchemy? Is it A, philosopher's stone, B, material transformation, C, elemental balance, or D, alchemy's dualism? The correct answer is D, alchemy's dualism. What process involves the combining of substances in alchemy? Is it A, coagulation, B, distillation, C, fermentation, or D, sublimation? The correct answer is A, coagulation. Which ancient civilization first practiced alchemy? Is it A, Celts, B, Mesopotamians, C, Indians, or D, Egyptians? The correct answer is D, Egyptians. In alchemy, which symbol represents sulfur? Is it A, B, NaCS, or D, Hg? The correct answer is CS. What device is often associated with the distillation process in alchemy? Is it A, pot still, B, alembic, C, test tube, or D, beaker? The correct answer is B, alembic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.